Morning, and on behalf of Eleganz Interiors Limited, I extend a very warm welcome to all of you. We are pleased to have you join us today to commemorate the listing of the equity shares of Eleganz Interiors Limited on the NSE. Thank you all for being here with us today for celebrating this special occasion. Before we move any forward, I would request all of you to kindly rise up for National Anthem, please.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Thank you, everyone. Please take your seats. So, ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure to introduce to you Eleganz Interior Limited, a leading name in interior fit-out solutions. They specialize in designing and transforming corporate and commercial spaces, including offices, R&D facilities, laboratories, airport lounges, co-working spaces and retail areas. Operating across 12 cities in India, Eleganz Interiors has successfully developed over 45 lakh square feet of space, and that definitely deserves a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. With another 40 lakh square feet currently in progress, backed by an excellent team of 400 experts, they offer end-to-end design and build services as well as general contracting solutions, covering everything from civil and interior work to mechanical, electrical, and final refinements. With a commitment to functionality and aesthetics, they are redefining workspaces across industries. Let's once again give a big round of applause for Eleganz Interiors Limited. Moving forward to begin the event, we have here with us today the leadership team from Eleganz Interiors Limited, along with NSE officials, and we would like to welcome them all with a bouquet. Please welcome Subhadeep Majumdar, Chief Manager, Primary Market Relationship, NSE. So, well, let the claps be on. Let's kickstart this beautiful morning on an energetic note, everyone. A very warm welcome to you, sir. And now we would like to welcome the management team of Eleganz Interiors Limited. So please welcome Mr. Sameer Pakwasa, Chairman and Managing Director, Promoter, Eleganz Interiors Limited. A very warm welcome to you, sir. Come on, everyone, let the claps be on. Thank you so much, sir, for joining us on stage. And now, please welcome Mr. Vivek Vaishnav, Director, Vivro Financial Services Private Limited. A very warm welcome to you, sir. Thank you for joining us on stage. And now to begin the event on an auspicious note, we will have the lighting of the lamp, for which may I invite Mr. Subhadeep Majumdar, Chief Manager, Primary Market Relationship, NSE, to kindly join us on stage, along with Mr. Sameer Pakwasa, Chairman and Managing Director, Eleganz, along with the entire Pakwasa family. Can we also have Dr. Subramanian, Mr. Bharat Shah, Mr. Vivek Vaishnav, Director, Vivro Financial Services Private Limited, and of course, our independent directors, Mr. Srinivas Rao and Apurva Joshi. Can we have all of you on stage for the lighting of the lamp? So as we begin the lamp lighting, wishing the entire team of Eleganz all the very best for this special moment. And as all the dignitaries together do the lamp lighting, let's give them a big hand.
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ
निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा
निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा
Thank you everyone for lending your hand to begin the event on an auspicious note. May I now have the privilege of inviting Mr. Sameer Pakwasa, Chairman and Managing Director, Promoter Eleganz Interiors Limited, to kindly come forward and address the gathering on this auspicious occasion. Let's once again welcome him with a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
That's fine. I should have used that.
Whatever is comfortable.
Better. Thank you. Hi, good evening, everyone. Welcome. Big day. Big day. First, I'd like to start with the thank yous. Starting with Mom, Dad, Mr. Akshay Pakwasa, Sonal Pakwasa. I mean, it was your seed. What you all started, we all are here today because of that. Thank you so much. Believing in me. Thank you for that. And we're finally here. Dad, I hope you're proud of me. Mom, yes? Thank you. Blessings always. A big thank you to Bharat Uncle for all his support and guidance. Mr. Subramaniam for all your support also. We're missing Mr. Deepak Parekh and Smita Parekh, and a big thank you to them also for being through this journey with us. Vivek, thank you, your entire team. Thank you so much for guiding us through this journey, being there with us, bearing with us, and taking care of whatever is needed, small, big, everything. Big thank you to the board for everyone being there, part of this journey too. I know we've got you all running around on calls late and weird timings, short notices sometimes. Archana, Karan, the entire Eleganz team, you all have stood by us like rocks. I mean, thank you so much for everything. Obviously, not to forget, I mean, the PR team, the legal teams, Rohit, everyone has done an excellent job. We're missing Tushar here today. He had an unfortunate event, but I mean, everyone has really worked their ass off for this. I mean, it's thank you for everything. Last but not the least, I mean, the shareholders who are the most important now, right? Thank you for all your support, your confidence in us, for being there, investing in us. And I'd like to just say that, you know, governance will be followed to another level now. We hope we are able to build confidence going forward. It's a new journey and we're starting with a new beginning. I'd like to just, you know, today is the 14th of February. Happy Valentine's Day to everyone. I'd like to take my journey back about 24 years. And, you know, 14th of February, 24 years back, 2001, Mom had a crisis. Dad packed me off to Bangalore. It was exactly the same day. And I had to go for a project in Bangalore. And Karthik uncle was there. And when I hit the site, and he was like, you start with housekeeping on site. You know, I started my journey ground up, and I thank you so much for showing me the way from there. You know, I am what I am because of that start. I must say that. And ground up from there, you know, 2 years before that, I could say, oh, you know, okay, in and out, in and out. I tried to be a boss when I should have been learning, but Karthik showed me that. That being said, today we've started a completely new journey. There's a lot more to do, many more bells to ring, I hope, on the way. And, you know, we're building something new. We're building something different. It comes with a lot of effort that will go in, a lot of responsibility that goes in. And I hope all of us together can build more, grow more, do more. Thanks, everyone.
So thank you so much, Mr. Sameer Pakwasa, for joining us on stage and for sharing your heartfelt feelings with us on this prestigious occasion. Let's once again, ladies and gentlemen, give him a big round of applause and wishing once again the entire team all the very best. And moving forward, may I now have the pleasure of inviting Mr. Vivek Vaishnav, Director, Vivro Financial Services Private Limited, and request him to share a few words on this joyous occasion. Let's welcome him on stage, ladies and gentlemen, with a round of applause.
Yeah. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests, investors, and colleagues. On behalf of Eleganz Interiors and the issue management team, we welcome you all for the listing ceremony of Eleganz Interiors Limited. Eleganz will be soon listed on the NSE Emerge platform of the National Stock Exchange. This is not just a milestone for the company, but for all the people who have contributed into its journey and to its success. Eleganz is a leading company in the interior fit-out solution business, and it has been crafting great commercial and corporate spaces for some of the largest companies in the world, some of the Fortune 500 companies. The company has both design and build as well as general contracting business, which is actually some need of the future for most of the large corporates going forward. Their commitment to quality and to innovation as well as project execution is something which sets them apart in the industry. The team which they have got to execute such spaces, to execute such projects, definitely sets them apart in the industry. The company has delivered even great financial performance. If I may, a CAGR of more than 50% of profits over the past 3 years, ROEs of more than 25% over the past few years. So, which is, I'm sure, going to deliver great value to stakeholders. I would really like to thank Sameer Pakwasa and the entire team for giving us this opportunity to work for the company for this IPO. I'd also like to acknowledge the contribution of all the parties, the legal advisors, the bankers, registrars, the auditors, and all other intermediaries who have participated and helped us come to this particular listing today. I'd of course like to thank our team at Vivro for giving all their best and ensuring that we have the listing as per the timelines as desired by the company and the management. I would especially, of course, like to thank Dr. Subramaniam for giving us this opportunity. Thank you so much, sir. It is a great blessing for all of us to actually have a veteran from the capital market guide us. And we are truly blessed and we are really honored. Thank you once again, sir, for the opportunity. Eleganz listing comes at a difficult time in the market with a lot of volatility all around. I'm very happy that we got a great response, more than 30 times subscription of the entire IPO. And we believe this is a proof of the trust, the confidence, and the vision of the company and its promoters. And we really look forward to seeing that this is translated into great shareholder value. To the entire team at Eleganz, congratulations once again, and wishing you greater success. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. Vivek, for joining us on stage and for addressing the gathering. Moving forward, may I now have the honor of inviting Mr. Subhadeep Majumdar, NSE, and request him to share a few words on this joyous occasion. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome him with a round of applause.
My card is here. Sri Samir Akshay Pakwasa, Chairman and Managing Director, Eleganz Interiors Limited. Shri Mayank Kumar Sharma, Whole-Time Director, Eleganz Interiors Limited. Shri Vivek Vaishnav, Director, Vivro Financial Services Private Limited, and other dignitaries, employees and family members present. Good morning and warm welcome to all of you for the listing ceremony of Eleganz Interior Limited, the company engaged in the business of interior solutions to corporates, laboratories, airport lounge, etc. Exchange is proud to welcome Eleganz Interiors Limited to our family of listed corporates, and will be just too short of 598th company to list in the NSE Emerge platform. The total market capitalization of NSE Emerge listed companies had crossed rupees 2.05 lakh crores. The total fund raised by all the listed companies on Emerge platform till date is around 16,195 crores. And from today onwards, Eleganz Interiors Limited will be the integral part of it. Now, talking about few of the capital markets, India is the fourth largest market in the world in terms of market capitalization with 4.66 trillion US dollar after US, China and Japan. The market capitalization of India has grown about 113 times in rupee terms since exchange has started its operations in 1994. I am happy to share that recently exchange achieved a milestone of 10 crore unique registered investors, having 19 crore accounts covering 7.5 crore plus households, accounting for nearly 20% of India's population directly investing in the stock market today. It is a testament of India's entrepreneurial activities and trust of its people on the entrepreneurs. The IPO of Eleganz Interiors Limited, with an issue size of close to 78.06 crores, garnered a good response. We hope that today's successful listing of Eleganz Interior Limited will inspire many more companies to look at the public market as a promising alternative. We at Exchange are committed to facilitate fundraising opportunities for upcoming organizations to chart their growth stories and make capital markets more accessible. We hope that this listing day is the start of strong partnership going forward between us. I congratulate the entire team of Eleganz Interior Limited, the Merchant Bank of Vivro Financial Services Private Limited, and other parties associated at the IPO in their accomplishment, and today's listing is a testimony of their hard work. Exchange once again welcomes Eleganz Interior Limited to the family and looks forward supporting you in your future fundraising endeavors. Thank you and Jai Hind.
So, ladies and gentlemen, the moment that we all have been eagerly waiting for has finally arrived. Yes, it's time for the bell-ringing ceremony. So, may I have the honor of inviting on stage Mr. Samir Pakwasa, Chairman and Managing Director, Eleganz, along with the Pakwasa family, along with Dr. Subramanian, Bharat Shah, Vivek Vaishnav, Director, Vivro Financial Services, and our independent directors, Srinivas Rao and Apurva Joshi. Can we have all of you on stage, please? It is just 1 minute left, sir.
No, for 9:49.
Achha.
10.
Yeah. But then they're already on stage.
So I think you missed
48, they said 48 is the hard stop.
9:40.
They told me 9:48 anyhow.
But it's 10. It's a 10.
So then what do we do? Till then, let's do the pictures then. We'll do the mementos later.
Yeah, moment is doing the list. Yeah.
May I request Mr. Subramaniam to kindly share a few words on this joyous occasion?
Good morning. It has been my pleasure to work with Samir and the team at Eleganz, but for that I must first thank Bharat. Bharat introduced me to Samir now just shy of 2 years ago. And in these 2 years, in these 2 years, the company, Samir and the company has not only delivered what they said they will, they have surpassed every single thing they have told me. And I think that that comes from the training and the mentorship which Bharat and Deepak have given Samir and the entire team over the last few decades. It's not just, these things come in the DNA, it's hard-coded into their system, and therefore it gives me great pleasure to see that culminate in today's listing. Having said that, I'm also very sure the journey is getting a second innings today, and from now onwards we will see Eleganz go from strength to strength, and all of this would not have happened without the firm foundation made by Mr. Akshay Pakwasa. And without that, and without the help and support of his mother and director Sonal Pakwasa, the company would not be where it is. So congratulations to all of you. And one of the heartwarming things which I listened in the morning when Samir came up on stage and said that he now understands that there are minority shareholders and will take utmost steps to ensure that the highest standards of corporate governance will continue in Eleganz from now onwards. And for someone who's been working with listed companies, this is music to my ears and to everybody's ears. So congratulations and all the best once again.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your heartfelt feelings with us. May I also request Mr. Akshay Pakwasa to share a few words on this joyous occasion?
Thank you, all of you who are present here and who are not present also. This is a great day for me, which I couldn't do, is fulfilled. Thank you.
And now, before we get on to the special moment, let's quickly take a moment to commemorate the significance of this event. We will have exchange of mementos. So I will request NSE to give away a special memento to the dignitaries of Eleganz Interior Limited. So may I request Mr. Shubhadeep Majumdar, Chief Manager, Primary Market Relationship, NSE, to present a special memento to Mr. Samir Pakwasa, Chairman and Managing Director, Promoter of Eleganz Interiors Limited. May I also request Mr. Subhadeep Majumdar, NSE, to present proud to be listed badges. First, the certificate. And now proud to be listed badges. May I also request Mr. Shubhadeep Majumdar, NSE, to present a memento to Vivro Financial Services Private Limited, lead managers to the issue. May I now request Mr. Samir Pakwasa, Chairman and Managing Director, Promoter Eleganz Interior Limited, to present a special memento to Mr. Subhadeep Majumdar, Chief Manager, Primary Market Relationship, NSE. Before we move any forward, I would like to remind you that we have cameras behind capturing this special moment, so please remain seated while the ceremony happens on the stage. Also, you can see a timer right here. When it strikes 10, you have to join me in the countdown from 10 to 1 with as much enthusiasm as you can and make this moment as special as you can for the entire team. So I would request Samir Pakwasa sir to give a few more mementos. Can we have Vivek Vaishnav of Vivro Financial Services Private Limited? Can we have a representative from Rikhav Securities Limited, market maker to the issue? Next, can we have Rajni Associates, advocates and solicitors, legal advisors to the issue? Rajni Associates. After Rajni Associates, can we have Big Share Services Private Limited, registrar to the issue? Please be ready, Big Share Services. Next, can we have Big Share Services Private Limited, registrar to the issue? Not there. Can we have Team Fortuna Public Relations team to the issue? Team Fortuna. So ladies and gentlemen, we are just 2 minutes to the countdown. I hope you all are equally excited as we are. After this, can we have Team Shark Advertising Private Limited, advertisement agency to the issue? Team Shark Advertising. Next, can we have HDFC Bank Limited, bankers to the company? Bank of Baroda, bankers to the company. After HDFC, can we have Bank of Baroda, bankers to the company? As I call your name, please rise up so that we know that you're here. Okay. So the countdown has already begun. Are you guys excited? Can we have a louder yes? So as the timer strikes 10, you all have to join me in the countdown with as much enthusiasm as possible. Are we ready for this, ladies and gentlemen? Are we ready for the special and victorious, joyous moment for Eleganz? Whoa, just few more seconds to go and here we start. Everyone with me. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Congratulations, Eleganz Interiors Limited is now officially listed on the NSE. What a glorious moment for the entire team. Many, many congratulations to the entire team and the entire this joyous and prestigious moment. Ladies and gentlemen, it's taken them years and years of effort and hard work to be here. Let's make it special for them. Let's keep clapping for a few more seconds. Yes, everyone. What a joyous and proud moment for the entire team of Eleganz and the entire Pakwasa family. Many, many congratulations once again. We request you to remain seated as we will continue with the ceremony now. What a beautiful and joyous moment. We would request all our dignitaries to kindly come closer for a picture. Let's capture this special moment in a film. We request all the dignitaries present on the stage to kindly come closer for a group picture, please. Thank you all the dignitaries for joining us on stage. We will continue the ceremony with Samir sir. Requesting Samir sir to continue with the set of felicitations. May I invite on stage Mr. Jayesh, representative from Jayesh, Sangra Rachka and Company LLP, statutory and peer review auditor of the company. After this, can we have Bank of Baroda? Next, can we have Bank of Baroda? Representative from Bank of Baroda on stage, please. Can we have Deepak Parekh, Smita Parekh, Bharat Shah, after this, can we have Dr. Srinivasan Subramanian? Dr. Srinivasan Subramanian. After this, can we have Akshay Pakwasa? Mr. Akshay Pakwasa. After this, can we have Sonal Pakwasa? Samaira Pakwasa. Sonal Pakwasa and Samaira Pakwasa. Can we all once again, one last time, give a huge round of applause for the Pakwasa family. So with this, we come to the end of the listing ceremony. Thank you so much, Samir sir, and the entire Pakwasa family and dignitaries for joining us on stage. So thank you so much, everyone. We are so grateful to our host, NSE, members of the board, well-wishers, our shareholders, and all the others who took the time out to celebrate this momentous occasion with us. Thank you all once again. And before we finish the ceremony, we have one surprise for the company. So can we invite Samir sir along with the entire Pakwasa family once again on stage, please? We have a special surprise from NSE. So Mr. Subhadeep Mujumdar, NSE, is now going to present a special surprise to Mr. Samir Pakwasa. So NSE is now presenting a photo frame of the exact moment when the company got listed. So well, the picture is being clicked and framed and being presented to the company. Once again, thank you so much, Subhadeep sir, for joining us on stage and for doing the honors. And once again, thanks to the entire Pakwasa family for joining us on stage. Many, many congratulations and wishing you all the very best. And thank you, all of you, once again for gracing this event with your presence. Please do join us inside for the breakfast. Thank you.